Greetings of the day everyone. My name is Reshu Jain, in charge POXO committee from Olympus High School. Dear all, I am here with a new workshop for the topic Information Security, Education and Awareness. By this workshop, we will understand that how the cybercrime is increasing day by day and how we can keep ourselves safe from all such crimes. And next happens if you go for a recharge to the mobile shop. A mobile recharge shop is a place where scamsters can gain access to your cell phone number because you have provided it to the recharge vendor. This number is then misused to all or text you and exploit your ignorance or even emotionally manipulate you. How? In this picture you can see that there is a girl Meena. She goes to mobile shop to recharge her phone with 50 rupees credit. But the shopkeeper says that the server is down, so he will do it in a while. So she leaves her number, phone, everything there. After half an hour, Meena gets a message, rupees 500 credited. Now what happens next? She rushes to the shop and asks him and tells him that she has asked for rupees 50 and now she has no more money to pay rupees 450 because 500 is credited. So the shopkeeper says, "It's okay ma'am, let's see next time." That means he is inviting her to meet him again and again. Akhil starts texting Meena. They become friends in no time. And now Akhil proposes Meena and promises to be by her side for entire life. That is, Meena stucks into the fake thing of Akhil. They both start dating, they both start going outside, having dinner and relaxed time and all. So Akhil one day convinces her to take her to the lodge, and after the day he breaks up with her all of a sudden. Now Meena is in shock. He actually blackmails her, telling if she reveals to anyone he would make her pictures and video viral. Meena is depressed. He started blackmailing her by taking her pictures and videos. So this thing happened by such problem. Debit card cloning. Debit card skimming happens when the PIN is revealed to another person. A scamster who knows the PIN and has possession of the card even for a short while can replicate the card, means a card can be duplicated. How? Meena and Reena are friends studying in the same college. Meena's boyfriend Arjun is a drug addict. He always asks for the money. So Meena is giving him money, and with that money he is taking the drugs and all. One day Meena asks her best friend Reena to give her rupees 500. But as a good friendship, what Reena does, she hands over her ATM along with the PIN number. Now after 15 days Meena comes back and she finds that rupees 500 debited message has come into Reena's phone. Reena received a message that from her account 500 rupees has been debited. Debited means have been taken out. After a week again Reena gets a message that rupees 5000 is debited. This time Reena is shocked that how come 5000 debited. So on the day Meena had borrowed ATM. That same day actually Meena had borrowed her ATM again, and Arjun, boyfriend of Meena, was waiting for her outside, and he took that ATM card from Meena with a skimming device, a device which is used to make a duplicate copy of the ATM card. It was used, and after a week the money was withdrew from the account and the PIN was lower. It is a malicious program that may be installed in the victim's computer for recording computer user keystrokes to steal passwords. Right? It means that whatever you press to your keyboard, that can be easily recorded. You can come to know which key has been pressed in which sequence. Let's see how. Anusha and Pooja are best friends and share the same room in her PG. They work for the same MNC, same multinational company they are working in. So they both of them had a crush on their boss. So without wasting any time, Pooja proposes the boss, that is Vivek, and Vivek accepts. So they both started dating each other. They both started going here and there. But Anusha was jealous of all such things, and she finds herself very uncomfortable, and she was heartbroken. So she decides that she is going to teach the lesson to both of them. As a good friend of Pooja, Anusha logs into Pooja's laptop and installs Keylogger program, right? Keylogger is a program which is a kind of a spy. So whatever you browse on your system, it accesses and records it, and also makes copy of all the activities whatever you have done. But Pooja is unaware whatever has been happened to her system. By taking this as the credited thing, what Anusha did, she had shared all her personal photographs or all her private chat, everything with Pooja's parents, and also revealed everything on social media by the fake profile, right? Now with this, Vivek shocked, and Vivek thought that everything is done by Pooja and he had broken up with Pooja. This thing has brought Pooja also into depression and everything. At this, Pooja regrets that she should not give her login ID passwords to anybody else except herself, not even to your best friends, right? So be careful in that also. SMS spoofing. Shopping online has to be done keeping guidelines in mind, or else one can become a victim of phishing from fake websites. How? Right, nowadays children, online shopping is on high peak. Everybody is using online debit cards, credit cards to do the shopping, but we have to be very careful. Let's see how. Aishwarya, she is a shopaholic. Shopaholic means she is fond of doing shopping every day, and she always look into the privilege if she is getting discounts and gifts from such shopping. So every time she waits for such kind of right offers, and she starts making the purchases and to redeem the coupon codes also. One day she gets an email from Walmart congratulating her for winning a handbag which was for rupees 5,000, and the offer was that she will get that bag in rupees 500 only. So without wasting any time, she rushes to the bank and deposited rupees 1,000 to make the online transaction. Even after a month or so, Aishwarya had not received any bag. So she started making the calls to helpline and to the dealers, but she was not getting any help. At this point, she had realized that she had done a big mistake, and she should not take quick step to redeem such kind of coupon offers or free gift offers. Why? Every time this is not original. There are so many people, those who are running fake websites, and they can hack your account and everything. So never ever stuck into such kind of danger, such kind of scams, discounts, free gifts, coupons and other things, right? Call spoofing. Call spoofing means when you are getting the call by some person whom you know very well. That is, you know the person very well by the voice, by the way of talking. But how? Let's see from here. Shabana, a lady, she is a widow and she is living alone in her independent house. So being an alone, she keeps on browsing internet, and she is always on social media sharing her pictures, making friends, and obviously she starts believing the people so soon. For her, every person, these all are genuine on social media. She is actually not aware about that what all things are happening via social media. So one day she gets a call from her son that he requires rupees 1 lakh for his friend, and he is not having that much of money. So as she got the phone call from her son, she quickly transfers rupees 1 lakh to his account. After doing the transaction, what Shabana does, she make a call to her son to confirm whether he had received or not. After transferring and after making the call, what Shafiq, name of her Shabana's son, he said that he had not made any call to Shabana. At this, Shabana got surprised that he had not made me call, then with whom she had talked. At this, Shabana realized that she had become the victim of call spoofing and ended up transferring the money to the scamster. So children, never ever believe, and on such kind of calls, even I want all the parents, I request all the parents to please be careful in doing any kind of transaction. So information security is everyone's responsibility. We should make sure that everything should go on smoothly, and next time I'll come with some more type of attacks, and I am sure these type of things will help you out to keep yourself safe and secure. Thank you.